Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get a St. Maurice Nectar card. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to stmaurice.co.uk/nectar. This will take you to St. Maurice official Nectar page. On the page, click on Nectar. Next, scroll down until you see the Join Nectar button and click it. You'll be directed to the registration page. Fill in your personal details like your name, email, and address to register for your Nectar card. Once registration is complete, you can collect your physical Nectar card from a St. Maurice store after about 14 days. Or start using your digital card in the Nectar app right away. And that's it. You've successfully applied for your St. Maurice Nectar card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.